I'm a pimp, I'm a pimp, I'm a pimp, I'm a pimp. Welcome to another cooking show. This afternoon I was at Walmart practicing my weekly slip and fall. When I got up, I saw a pack of Ditalini pasta for only $2. $2? Yeah, $2. And it reminded me of the time back in the day when I was a little kid that my mom used to make me something called Piselli pasta, which is basically just peas and pasta. So with only a few dollars, I'm gonna show you how to feed a family of 4, and it's gonna be delicious. I picked up the rest of the stuff from Walmart and I headed back over here.
Attention customers, please no more slip and fall today.
Before we get started, we gotta make sure our area is nice and clean. Our hands are nice and washed. Not like the time I eat hot Cheetos and give my girlfriend hot Cheeto titties. So let's do this, baby. These are gonna be some of the ingredients we're gonna be using. First, we're gonna start off by throwing the pasta in the boiling water. You wanna make sure though that your water is flavorful and it has a little bit of salt and olive oil in there. Nothing's worse than having pasta that's flavorless like this spaghetti-o shit. So while our pasta is boiling, we're gonna start sauteing the onions. Olive oil in the pan, onions. This is where we're gonna add our peas, and we're also gonna put a little bit of that starchy water from the boiling pasta and put it in with the peas. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna let the peas cook with the onions and the starchy water. In the meantime, you're gonna drain your pasta, but you gotta make sure it's al dente. You don't want no squishy noodles. Now for a secret of the pros, come here. What you wanna do is you wanna take an egg yolk, throw it in the pasta, along with some olive oil. At this point, 9th inning. This is when we're going to be plating the pasta. I like a little bit of cracked pepper right on top of it. You can't beat this. A few dollars, a feed a family of 4. Delicious. Let's go see what this guy's up to. It's Mike. Your boy.
Mike?
Yeah.
How you doing, Mike?
Good. I'll buy you some goodies.
Did you hear what happened to me? They attacked me.
Who?
Cops.
What do you use this for?
Cook. No. Have you ever seen that grill? I can cook anything. It's a grill. Check this out.
Hell yeah, Colonel. That guy back there is way happier than a lot of people I know. And do you see how he lives? That's it, baby. Gotta take care of the less fortunate. Thank you so much for tuning in to another cooking show. I'll see you guys next time.